Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of lag on the application of Facebook. You will go to settings as you see and you can click. Here you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about Facebook and you will enter. Here in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on Clear Cache. Then you will go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Facebook. And here you can update your app, so please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.